Hi, I'm Pallavi and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable, and today's recipe is super easy. It's called pulled bread pizza. It's very simple and absolutely perfect to whip up in the morning. So when I said that this recipe is super easy, I was not lying, because this recipe can actually be completed in just 3 steps. So first step is we'll just make slices on this bread. So just deep enough slices ताकि हमारी toppings अच्छे से चली जाएं, sauce अच्छे से अंदर चला जाए, but we don't want these cuts to be too deep. So can you see these cuts? Not deep. So step 1 is completed and now it's time for step 2. We'll just take our delicious Kissan Pizza Sauce, which is actually made up of fresh tomatoes, fresh basil and aromatic spices. So now as you can see that the sauce is nicely absorbed in those deep cuts, we are ready for top our bread pizza with nice toppings. So first some onions. You can go creative with the toppings, use more mushrooms, little bit of bell peppers, capsicum, whatever you like. Now some fresh basil, just insert it, or now I will just top it with cheese. और अब हम इसमें डालेंगे my garlic oil on top of my bread pizza. So 2 steps are over, that's slicing of the bread and topping it. Now for the step 3, we're just going to bake it. So this is ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for just 15 minutes. Smelling so divine. And now we are ready to pack our tiffin box. So there you go, my tiffin box is ready. We'll just add some nuts, almonds and some sprouts for fibers. And now, if your kids also like it a little bit spicy, just sprinkle some freshly grounded pepper. So there you go, a delicious pulled bread pizza in just 3 simple steps. I hope कि आपको ये recipe पसंद आई हो. So if you hadn't already, subscribe to India Food Network